Scooby-Doo has many genes. One gene is his ability to pronounce every word with an R in front of it. This gene goes through the central dogma of biology, which is that when DNA turns into RNA through transcription, and RNA is turned into protein through translation. The first part is transcription. The first step of transcription is initiation. Here, an RNA copy is made. RNA polymerase binds to a location on the DNA called the promoter. RNA polymerase now has the ability to unzip some of the DNA. The second step is elongation. Here, the RNA polymerase makes a complementary strand from the exposed DNA strands. The DNA strand that is getting copied is called the antisense strand. The third step is termination. In this step, the RNA polymerase comes across a DNA sequence called a terminator. This ends the copying. The fourth step is called editing. There are 4 parts to editing. The first part is to cut out all the introns. They don't code for anything, so we don't need them. Secondly, splice together the leftover exons. Third, we need to add a cap. And lastly, you will add a poly A tail. Transcription is now complete. Next comes translation. Here, mRNA goes to the cytoplasm in search of a ribosome. Once it finds one, the ribosome reads the mRNA and makes a protein. The ribosome consists of a small and large subunit. In the large subunit, there is a polypeptide site, an active site, and an exit site. tRNA consists of an anticodon and an amino acid. It starts at the start codon, which would be always AUG, which attracts an anticodon. tRNA fills in the P site and the A site. The 2 amino acids make a bond formed by the ribosome, which also lets the first amino acid break off and let the other one move down. This forms a polypeptide chain. It goes until it reaches the stop codon, which will be UAA, UAC, or UGA. Now, mutations can occur through these processes. Mutations cause the amino acid or codon to be incorrect. Point mutations include deletion, insertion, and substitution. Insertion and deletion are frame-shift mutations, meaning they shift the whole code. Chromosomal mutations include deletion, duplication, inversion, insertion, and translocation. The gene that allows Scooby to pronounce every word with the R in front of it was mutated. One of the bases was deleted out of the codon. This was bad and shifted the whole genetic code. Now instead of saying everything with an R in front, he says it with a T. This was a frame-shift mutation because it shifted the whole code. The end.